Hello guys, today my sister's gonna be rating these alarms. There's 120 of them. Don't worry, we might end it like at 20 alarms. Let's get started.
It sounds like it's starting with like a sad song or something. I would rate it like 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10? Okay.
Actually, no, I take that back. 2 out of 10.
How about this one?
It would wake me up in the middle of the night and I would probably get scared, so I would say 3 out of 10. But no. I meant 4 out of 10.
Okay.
5 out of 10.
Let's get the next one. Wait for it, okay.
8 out of 10.
Scary.
Yeah, kind of. Like if I was just like reading a book or playing Roblox and started hearing that, I would get scared.
Okay. Let's get the next one.
It sounds like they would be like, okay, go to your next station in like a race or something. So
What was that?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? Okay, let's get the next one.
50 out of 10.
Skip vibes.
If I were like just chilling there playing Roblox and heard that, I'd be like, is the computer breaking? Is the computer breaking on me? 10 out of 10 just because I don't want the computer to break ever again.
Okay.
But it's broken a few times. 30 out of 10.
What's wrong? Say something about it.
It's not as scary, but it's scary, kind of. Like if I just all of a sudden started hearing that, and it was like our disaster alarm, then yeah, I would be scared.
Okay. Stop.
Luckily, we live in like somewhere where there's no disasters.
Arizona.
Oh my gosh, Siren Head!
We rate it.
5 out of 10.
Okay. We'll go to this one.
Why does it sound like it would be at a beach? You know what? It sounds like it would be for like a tsunami or something. So I would say 70 out of 10.
It's more than 8, you know.
I don't care. Broken computer.
Broken computer. What
So
you rate
broken.
it? What you rate it? Rate it.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay,
Yeah.
what's this one?
500 out of 10.
What's wrong with it?
Sounds like it would be the start of a horror movie, or like it sounds like there was multiple deaths.
I mean, this was during World War II, to be honest.
I thought so.
What do you say?
60 out of 10.
You meant to, like, tell the reasons why you rate it 60 out of 10.
Cause it sounds scary.
Okay, what's this one? What's your rate?
5 out of 10.
But what do you say about it?
It's pretty boring.
Okay, this one's free.
I'm just over here vibing to it. It sounds cool. I like it.
What do you rate it?
1 out of 10. Not scary.
See?
Sounds like music.
Okay, what's this one? Wait for it, okay.
Infinity out of 10. That's scary.
Yep.
Like if I were like just doing anything and heard that all of a sudden, yeah, I'd be scared.
And die.
same rating as last one.
Infinity?
Yeah.
Terrifying too.
Yeah.
And sometimes when they're the same, you say 0, -0, then it sounds like Tonga or like any other country. Like,
Okay.
okay, there you go.
Why are you whispering in my ear?
Because I just want to tell you.
I think everybody heard that.
What's your rate? What's your rate?
My back hurts. That's my rating.
That's not it. That's
Move all your garbage. You have so much stuff on your bed.
This isn't garbage. Hey, give me that. It's mine.
Chill bean.
There's no beans in there.
Chill beans.
Okay, rate this one.
Smells like water. I like it.
Look, rate this one.
I didn't hear it.
No one can hear you.
I didn't hear it.
Well, don't just.
Buster, everybody can hear me. I'm loud.
This country is part of Canada.
5 out of 10. Boring.
It sounds like the Tonga. When it sounds the same, you say -0 10. It sounds like Tonga or like any other country.
You said to rate it, not you.
Okay, so the next one. What'd you say?
100 out of 10.
Was it sound? What do you think it might feel like to say? Like what is the
I don't know. It
reason?
sounds like it would be like an earthquake or something.
Well, you remember?
Oh, by the way, Bella, one time, like when I went to Nona when you were sick, I was watching the news, and did you know that there was an earthquake in Japan?
I did not know that. Thanks for telling me about this.
And there's also a missing girl.
And where?
How would I supposed to know?
Was it in Japan?
I don't know.
But okay.
And also, my teacher said that there was a missing girl, and she was kidnapped by somebody, and her dead body was found in the desert.
That's horrible.
I know.
Oh, everyone heard that. Everyone just heard that. Like,
Yeah, I think everybody knows. Oh, also, yeah,
Hey.
yeah.
I meant to get out reasons why you rate it like that. Okay, well, you rate it.
10 out of 10. Sounds like a breaking computer.
But do you hear music in the background? Listen.
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
Sounds like you're playing like a country game and the computer starts breaking.
So, do you rate it once again?
Did you not hear me?
10 out of 10?
Yeah. Wait, no. Wait, what?
You're the only one to say 10 out of 10. Look at everyone's comment. 4 out of 10.
Yeah,
zero.
isn't that scary? It's like 4 out of 10.
Wow, it's relaxing. It's kind of relaxing, to be honest.
It's kind of relaxing, to be honest. No.
Still coming. Ooh, someone on. 120 out of 10. This is perfect. Ah! Who's driving away in a car?
Wait a minute. Why do they find a flag hot?
I don't know. That's weird, to be honest.
Yes.
What is your rating?
Yes, out of 10.
Trina, you can't say words.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
1. 5. Yeah.
It's not even terrifying.
Not as terrifying.
What?
I'm gonna put it on your toes. Feel pain. Feel pain.
So terrifying. Also, thanks for the... Here, that's why I rated it. It's on the numbers. What about this one? You're right.
Sounds like a broken phone trying to call somebody.
Okay, let's get the next one. What was that? What did it...
Kind of also sounds like a song.
But what do you rate it?
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. Okay, let's get the next one.
900 out of 10.
What do you say about it?
It's scary. Like if I were in a situation where like I was just doing like anything as usual, and just hear that, yeah, that would be scary.
Okay, let's get to the next one. Just this one.
I don't know what to say about this one,
Okay.
but 3 out of 10. 6 out of 10. No words again. No words again. 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Infinity out of 10.
What's it sound like?
Sounds like Los Angeles. No, I'm kidding. I've never been to Los Angeles, so I don't know. It sounds like a dangerous city, though.
Vietnam is actually really beautiful, to be honest. Because, you know...
Okay, then Vietnam.
This is Vietnam flag.
I know.
Let's get the next one.
Infinity out of 10, that is very loud.
It gave you a warning. Loud!
Yes! That's a short one. E. E out of 100.
Okay. Warning, this one's not safe to go live in.
What?
Yemen. It's not safe to live in.
Yemen?
Yemen.
Yemen.
Where you rate it?
E out of 10.
Again. What do you think of that one?
Out of 10.
Trina, you're meant to actually rate it, not like out of 10.
Out of 10.
Trina,
0 out of 10.
you don't like it?
9 out of 10.
What does it sound like? What do you think?
Boring.
This is 7 minutes, actually. Trina, you're meant to rate it! Not just randomly just click. Stop. Let's get to this one.
My back hurts.
No more. Just rate it.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
My
What
back hurts.
do you say about it?
My back hurts.
That's
what I
it?
say about it.
Seriously. Let's get to the next one. This one just...
Okay.
What do you think?
10 out of 10.
Okay, let's do this one. We rate that one. Hey, Karina! Get Marshall off of me.
Stupid squirrel, haha. The squirrel or whatever critter this is gonna eat your toenails.
Marshall?
You have very long toenails.
No, you do, Marshall.
And your skin is peeling.
No, your skin is peeling.
delicious toenails.
Die. You're my favorite character.
I have a bump on my head because of you. Says Marshall. The plushie.
Stop.
Kill him.
Well, where you rate this one?
Guys, it's Italy. 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Yes.
No, your rate. What is your numbers?
I don't know.
That's Florida.
1 out of 10.
What?
1 out of 10.
Look at the people.
What is that?
Infinities. Look how much infinities that is.
Okay.
Look, it's top to down here. Let's get to the next one. What's your rating?
My back hurts and I'm tired of doing this.
Come on, do more. Ooh, we passed 20. Well, let's just keep going.
Haha.
Okay, what do you rate this one?
I can't believe somebody would watch this 16-minute long video.
No, it's gonna be 30 minutes.
Can I rate your videos?
No.
Please, Buster.
No.
Please, Buster.
No.
Please, Buster.
No.
Please,
No.
Buster.
No. No. No.
I'm gonna cry.
No. Don't.
It will.
Come on, just rate this one.
1.
Seriously? Are you leaving?
Yes, I'm gonna go hang out my clothes.
Okay, guys, that was mostly edited this video, so I'll see you guys later.
Haha, Busters, I made it so the video ended.
Bye, guys. See you guys later. Let's make a video of my sister reading my videos.